Hello dear traders, for today I will cover gold market. I will speak about the gold market, I will speak about the USD versus Japanese yen, and I'll also speak about the dollar index. So I will start with the gold market first. So what I found on the gold market is basically that we got, in my opinion, we got a classic reversal, fake breakout, consolidation pattern that happened last Friday. If you check here, we're right now watching 2-hour time frame. We basically had a very well defined consolidation that held for many days, for 4 days. And then on the Friday's news, basically we got initial upside breakout, which was immediately negated very aggressively, and we went from upside breakout very easily, and we back into the previous range again. That is a very bearish stance. The whole price action in the background, together with this fake breakout in the news, making this very, very bearish in the next period. So I will definitely suggest to watch for selling opportunities and so. But I also need to mention that today we do have, with bank holidays in the US and in Canada too, in observance of the Columbus Day. So the US session banks and banks in Canada will not work, and probably, don't know how much today we can see the price action on the gold and so. But this forecast and my projection is more for the next period, right? Similar things happened here when we got a consolidation, fake breakout in the news, and then a sell-off from the smart money. Consolidation, fake breakout in the news, and a sell-off from the smart money. And I don't see the reason why this is not the case. Again, consolidation, breakout during the news, and the sell from the smarter money. So I see the goal definitely to try to revisit 1745, and then if there is more downside power, which I think we can have, then we can even try to retest 1722. So watch for selling opportunities definitely. On the gold, you can watch maybe the breakout of the lows and retest for the more downside. We can just try aggressively from the mid area here, because in the background you got this price action, and so it's really up to you. But I do expect downside, a continuational move and downside movement on the gold. USD Japanese yen is just very strong, one of the strongest currency pairs today. I alerted you about this pullback, 2 to 3 days pullback, and potentially we regain the power there. I suggested we might retest 112.10, eventually attack 120.35, and then even search for the highs here. So basically right now in terms of the levels, I don't see any level on the left that is important until 113.70 or 114.15. So there's a plenty of the space, that USD Japanese yen can really continue also in the next period towards the next levels, right? I don't see any kind of reversals on the higher degree frames, something like that. So it's really like daily is really kicking in, and bigger time frame, large degree money is absolutely present. So watch for the pullbacks on this strong environment and upside will be probably the best idea, and watch for the targets around 113.60, 114 level. And overall, I want to speak about the dollar index because there is a potential that completion of the ABC most recently. So we have this one down leg, this up leg, and this more like ABC building this. So the trend is still upside. If you put a trend line like this and try to gather a different swing, we're basically just rejected from the trend line. And this trend line is pretty much active. And this is from beginning of September. We have that upside trend environment in the place. So definitely the trend on both short, mid-term, and the long-term trends are up from my perspective. And that's why the pullbacks, the deeper pullbacks, the retest of swing highs, and so, just provide a very good pullback, upside play, ABCs, back to test some swing highs, swing lows, taking some swing highs, swing lows, regaining the power. So definitely dollar index have potential to revisit 94.30, 94.45, or 94.50. So that will be all for today. Today's analysis. I hope that you did enjoy, and see you all tomorrow morning.